Running an engineering organization is hard work. With so many moving pieces, predicting a ship date is more art than science. You have to know the health of the work and the people. But that requires research into a tangle of databases, tools, and retro feedback. To empower your organization with the right insights, get UpLevel. UpLevel helps you meet your product goals without burning out your team. We pull metadata from programs you already use, like Git, Slack, and public calendar events, and share summaries about what's going well and what needs attention. We focus on managers and developers, where the work happens, to drive improvement in team well-being and product delivery. Let's start with the team experience. At a glance, you'll see real-time metrics of the current sprint. We calculate a sprint health score, which is composed of people health and project health. UpLevel's people health helps you understand burnout, interruptions, context switching, and deep work, so you can support more focused and enjoyable work for your team. We combine this with project health, which considers key delivery metrics, like stuck PRs, inconsistent comments, items added mid-sprint, and more. Then, check your sprint progress, including a prediction score that lets you know if you're on track to deliver against your plans based on historical averages. For a team overview, check team tiles to see how everyone is doing and how work is allocated. This developer is often context switching, probably because they're on 5 epics. This is an opportunity to increase focus and velocity by prioritizing work. To dive deeper into any of these insights, managers and developers can use the UpLevel Project Explorer. This interactive tool provides powerful insights to help you understand risks, remove bottlenecks, and reduce team burnout. Here's an example. These complex PRs lack reviews and show a knowledge silo with a single developer. The manager could load balance this work for better long-term growth. UpLevel also packages information to enhance 2 common engineering meetings, one-on-ones and sprint retros. First, let's look at the one-on-one report. Too often, one-on-ones only focus on gut feelings about problems. UpLevel can elevate this conversation with data. This senior developer is getting pulled into a lot of meetings and had to work overtime last week, but their workload looks balanced. Their manager can use this to initiate a career conversation. Does this dev want more deep work time to build technical skills? Or are they open to mentoring the junior devs? The other core destination for meetings is Sprint Retro Insights. Here, you'll see a summary of your latest sprint, including what's going well and what could be improved. Reactions on every item give a temperature check of the team experience. With Sprint Retro Insights, there's no need to run your own analysis or guess at the retro board. This data can spark effective conversations about planning a more balanced sprint. Your insights live in UpLevel, but we'll send all critical information via Slack or email alerts. For engineering leaders, we aggregate team-level trends in a customizable Executive Insights BI tool. Here, a CTO can see how their team's deep work time has trended during the selected time range. With UpLevel, engineering teams can increase velocity, decrease burnout, and plan and execute more predictable releases. Meet your product execution goals without burning out your team. Schedule a demo today.
As a leader, I've always valued getting in a room with a small group of people because you can listen to everyone's voice and have a powerful deep dive into what they want, their desires. What if you could have that same powerful conversation with 2,000 people, with 4,000? That's the game changer Thoughtexchange has brought to my district.
The reason why I started working with Thoughtexchange was I wanted to find a way to crowdsource or gather input from a dispersed global team of about 100 people. I wanted to do it in a way that was interactive and fun and wasn't going to be too burdensome or process heavy, I guess you might say.
One of the great things I saw about Thoughtexchange is, first of all, it's really easy to use. So you're seriously just sending out a link and people just click on that link and they can write a thought and then start rating. By making it easy and by making it intuitive, I think that the users find it naturally engaging.
Thoughtexchange has a 3-step process where you share your thoughts, then you get to star thoughts for others that you agree with, and then discover what everybody's thinking. The nice thing about the Discover is you can see a variety of data. You can see folks' top thoughts, the ones that folks had the most stars on. You can go into themes that you've seen. You can look at hot topics where there's 2 groups. One view is this way and the other view is totally polarized the opposite. And then you can look at what are the common interests between those 2 groups. Often they have same common interests, a good place to start in working with folks.
I see people talking about, why don't we launch a thought exchange? And when they're saying that, they're saying, I really want to know what people think. And that's actually something I think that we all should care more, is what other people think. I think we put a lot of value in what we think and what our bosses think, and perhaps what the client thinks or the shareholder thinks, but we don't put a lot of value into what everybody else thinks. So when we talk about, we're going to have an offsite or we're going to launch a new product, when we say, let's launch a thought exchange, we're actually saying we want to hear how people feel and we're willing to address what comes out of it. And that in and of itself to me is a wonderful shift in culture. And I think it shows tremendous courage as well as being very timely with what people expect from their organizations and from communication tools today.
Live streaming video is everywhere and is utilized worldwide, from sports to community events to public meetings and to enterprise operations. And as different industries have leveraged this technology, the users and operators have evolved as well, such as public safety organizations, first responders, city planners, and local governments. However, there have been challenges. Setup, ease of use, quality and reliability, real-time delivery, ensuring remote devices are working, all the while ensuring cost efficiency all come into play, especially when operating at scale. For a smart city, these challenges pose a risk of impacting the safety and comfort of residents due to low accessibility, responsiveness, and operational performance. Live Edge Suite and the Edgecaster platform, the most powerful team in live video, solves these challenges. Together, they create Videon's video compute platform, a comprehensive, fully integrated system combining advanced video processing with highly flexible computing, bringing cloud functionality to the point of video in a rugged, low-power, cost-effective, small form factor solution. Powered by Qualcomm technology, Live Edge and Edgecaster optimize your video processing and delivery with its flexible and reliable video computing functions at source. Whether you need the latest streaming functions, control, and monitoring of your live video solution, or an entirely unique application designed by you, Live Edge makes it possible. Workflow integration is easy with out-of-the-box integrations to the most advanced cloud solutions at AWS and Akamai, while supporting popular video distribution platforms like Facebook, YouTube, AWS IVS, and more. No matter what your streaming needs are, Videon's Live Edge streaming solution ensures you can reach any destination with quality, reliability, low cost, and even low latency. And you can be assured this is possible without the headaches of multiple vendors requiring complex orchestration that assuredly leads to breakdowns at the most inopportune time. With all of this video compute power and functionalities, live video can now be cost-efficient, highly dependable, low latency, and orchestrated from anywhere in the world at scale. Because Videon Edgecaster has enough local processing capability to enable AI-based tasks like image recognition, advanced capabilities such as license plate detection and movement analyses are currently being tested. This is just one of many use cases where Live Edge and Edgecaster have provided unique solutions to an otherwise unsolvable problem. New proof of concepts are rapidly being tested, such as real-time speech-to-text conversion with keyword recognition, bringing artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to fixed camera infrastructure to extend lifespan. The applications are limitless. Live Edge makes everything possible.